Today we're going to go over a few features of the Dent Wizard inverter van upfitted by LZ Truck in St. Paul. First thing we install is a high output alternator, which you cannot see in this vehicle, but it is in there. We return the old alternator with the van. Down here next to your battery you see a fuse, and that's your first fuse taking charging power from the vehicle to your inverter system and batteries. We'll come around the driver's side. We've got a vent up here. That's to vent the gases from the battery. And down here, a little flip door, and that is a 110 charging. So at night you can plug in your vehicle and it will not only charge the inverter batteries, but it will also charge your vehicle battery if it's low. In the cab, we've got our first way to turn on the inverter in here, which is a lighted on-off switch. It does work with the vehicle not on. We also have a high idle switch, and to operate the high idle, if you're using the inverter for a long period of time, emergency brake must be on. Start the vehicle. And we press the high idle switch, and it'll take a moment for the high idle to kick on. As you can hear it now, idling high. That will stay running until either you shut it off with the switch or if you release the emergency brake. And that would be used if you're using the alternator or the inverter for a long period of time. In the back, here's where your inverter is mounted. You have some outlets on the inverter itself. You have an outlet back here. You can see another fuse that takes current from the auxiliary batteries into the inverter, and there's a fuse there. You also see a couple circuit breakers on the inverter itself. We'll go around to the back of the van now. You see up on the bulkhead a plug-in. There's two on the driver's side with a cord reel, two on the passenger side with a cord reel. We also have a switch here. It turns your dome lights on and off. And you've got your second inverter control box back here, so you can run the inverter from the back. You don't have to go in front. You've got an on-off, a battery test, menu, and display options. On the passenger side exterior at the rear, we've got another 110 plug for you here. And up into the bulkhead, you've got a sealed bulkhead that protects any gases, paint fumes, whatever you're doing in the back from going into the driver area. And in these two big boxes are your 4 heavy-duty batteries. These batteries do require maintenance with a watering kit, which you see the connection here, and in the vehicle there's going to be the watering connection tool along with instructions to put distilled water into the batteries, and the battery water level should be checked once a month. If you have any questions, please call LZ Truck in St. Paul, 651-488-2571. Thank you.